Okay, what I have is 2014 Camaro and the tire pressure monitoring system. The tire gauges pressure would go off, they'd drop really low, they would not be consistent. Three would go out sometimes at a time. Anyway, so we replaced them with AC Delco, and it still did it. And so we bought ones from General Motors. It still did it. And I thought, God, when did all this happen? It happened when I added a Cobra dash cam, front and rear camera, and you can see all the electrical wires to it. I had it right here in the center next to the mirror, and all the wires I ran over and then ran straight down, plugged it in. Well, with all those wires, was without being really scientific here, but what I did was I moved it from here to there, moved all the wires to the side, and now my tire system works great. So I'm assuming it was from all the electrical interference from the dash cam, and it is a front and rear, so there was a lot of cables, as you can see. So anyway, that's what I did, solved the problem. Tire pressure system now works great just by moving it to the side.